Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a planner review. Special thanks to My Infinite Agenda for sending me their Undated planner. Of course, with all of my reviews, all opinions are my own. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Getting into the basics, first things first, let's talk pricing. This planner retails for $29. But if you purchase the Undated gift set, you will not only receive the planner, but you will also receive 2 additional accessories, which include the signature infinity pen as well as their sticker sheet 2-pack for $35. Each of these accessories retails for $5 each, so you're saving a little bit of coin if you wanted to go ahead and bundle them all together. So looking closer at the accessories, you have these 2 sticker sheets here. The first one has headers from reminder, appointment, to buy, don't forget. There's smaller headers which include gym and to do. There's some flags down here as well as some smaller icons in the middle. And then the second page is filled with functional circular icons. And then the infinity pen does come in an array of colors and it is black ink. Getting into the specs of the planner, the size is 5 inches by 8 1/4 inches. It is undated, and as you can see, it is bound. It has 180 days inside, so 6 months. This is a hardcover. It has the elastic band. It comes with 2 sheets of stickers, which, similar to the 2-sheet sticker pack that I just showed you, has a mix of flags as well as some circular icons here, some quotes over here, and then some larger flags up top. It also has a pocket in the back, which seems to be becoming standard for planners like this. It has 1 bookmark. You do get the month on 2 pages as well as the daily pages. There is a perpetual calendar, and multiple colors of this are available. There's blush with rose gold, teal with magenta, coral and teal, periwinkle with silver, and this is the black with silver. So looking closer at the planner, you have This Infinite Agenda Belongs To. Here are the stickers, and these can be removed once you're done with them. And then we have the opening page, which gives you a little bit more information on what My Infinite Agenda is. Manifest incredible changes in your life. My Infinite Agenda unites your vision board and daily planner. It is a tool to help you focus your thoughts and manifest whatever you are working toward, from your practical goals to your deepest desires. Here you will record your daily ideas and dreams, all while keeping up with your day-to-day tasks. What you focus your mind on, you attract. You have the power to shape your thoughts and therefore can set your mind on fulfilling whatever your heart desires. Thoughts become things when you visualize and declare your aspirations. Infinite winnings are yours when you ask, believe, and are ready to receive. Start writing your destiny today. As we move on, each of the pages are also numbered, and it goes up to 260. So then the next page is My Infinite Declarations. So there's 7 of those, and then they go into the My Infinite Agenda Golden Rules. And this not only gives you a gist of what the brand is, but also how to use this planner. So the planner layout is broken into 3 sections. You have the gratitude, short-term, long-term, wildest dreams, and vision board grouped into 1 section, which is then followed by the 6 months of daily pages. And each month does have a month on 2 page layout. And then at the very end, there is a reflection and review section. So here we have begin with gratitude, and it gives you an explanation on that. And then the pages here are grid, and it says, today I am grateful for the gifts in my life include, I feel so thankful for, when I think of my life, it is so incredible that. And then we move on to short-term goals. Again, another explanation. So each section has that. So short-term goals, I am excited to receive. I am looking forward to the success of. It's so wonderful that. And then long-term goals. Next year, I see myself. In 5 years, my life will include, this is fun. I see myself. And then wildest dreams. When possibilities are endless, I dream of. When I allow my imagination to run wild, I see myself. My wildest wishes include. Then there's a cute quote here. And then the vision board pages, which are blank. And you get 4 pages of that. And then here's the perpetual calendar for 4 years. And then we move on to section number 2, which is the month on 2 pages and the daily pages. So going back to the pages in the beginning, I love that there's an explanation for it, but one thing that you can do with this space is that you don't have to just jump into using it right away. Don't let that deter you from putting pen to paper. Because sometimes when these planners come and the different aspects that these planners have to them, we're afraid to write, we're afraid to use them. So if you are hesitant about just writing straight on the paper, use a sticky note. Also, you don't have to do this all in one shot. You can add to this throughout the year and see the growth that you have. Moving back to section 2, which is the core of the planner. So here is the month on 2 pages. You have a sidebar here for notes, a space to put the month, and there is lines for you to either use a sticker to put the number or to write it in yourself. Then each month has some opening pages on, well, it's just a quick monthly planning on 2 pages. So the monthly planning, use this section at the beginning of each month to re-articulate your short-term goals, long-term goals, and wildest dreams to keep them at the forefront of your mind. So as I said in the beginning, you can start to fill that in as you wish. You don't have to do it as soon as you get the planner. You can just start planning. But as you become more acclimated with your goals, you can use that space in the beginning of the planner as a brain dump and then become more specific as each month goes on. So here we have, I am excited to accomplish these short-term goals. I will grow closer to these long-term goals. And in my wildest dreams, I am looking forward to receiving. Then we move on to the daily pages. At the top of each page, it says month, day, year. You have this blank space where you can journal, where you can write in your to-do list. And then at the bottom, there's 2 prompts. Today, I am looking forward to. Today, I am super grateful for. So there's space for you to reflect at the beginning and the end of your day. And at the bottom of each page, there is also a quote. So this one says, fearlessness is like a muscle. I know from my own life that the more I exercise it, the more natural it becomes to not let my fears run me. Ariana Huffington. And then here it says, a setback is a setup for a comeback by Willie Jolly. Then we move on to the last section. And then at the end of this month, it does say my infinite winnings include. So that is your monthly reflection. So you have those 2 pages, and then you have your daily pages, and then before we get to the next month, my infinite winnings. So that's like one of the things about this is that it's not tabbed. So, and the My Infinite Winnings also does have a grid space on the back. And let's see if it has that for, yes, before it goes into the last section, you also have that front and back side there. Then Oh wait, this was the last one. Here we go. Then for the reflection and review, take some time to reflect on the past few months. Scan through your agenda and review your statements of gratitude, short-term goals, long-term goals, and wildest dreams. Which of these became infinite winnings? What are you most grateful for? What are you still working toward? What are the aspirations for the next few months and for the next year? So record your reflections, realizations, and aspirations to carry you forward. And you have a number of pages for that. Then there is a quote at the very end, and then back to that. So my initial thought of this was, I really do love the size, but on the other hand of loving the size, I'm kind of concerned as I would use this because the pages don't lay flat. So it's kind of like you have to stretch this out a little bit. So that would be my con to it, is the binding and the size. And also, this space may not be enough for you to write what it is that you're trying to accomplish. There's a variety of ways that you can break up this space. You can, again, use stickers still, but in using stickers, I would be careful because planners that are bound, they bulk up really, really, really fast when you start using stickers. So even though you put your stickers here, it can not only bulk up, but you just may not have enough space. But stickers would give you some structure up here. But if you're looking for other ways without stickers, putting in your top 3 goals of the day, this layout is also versatile enough, which is one of my pros. It's a versatile layout where you still have that reflection. And if you wanted to just use this as a journal and then use the monthly to write in your positive affirmations or what have you, you have the versatility to do that. My other con, aside from the binding and the size and possibly not having enough space, is that there's no tabs to separate the sections. In comparison to other planners that I have reviewed and seen that also don't have the tabs, they're a little bit larger, so flipping through them is easier, and they also have more than one bookmark. You only have one bookmark here, which is great to just put it on the day that you're working on, but if you wanted to easily flip back between sections, you're gonna have to add in your own tabs. It's not the end of the world. There are so many tabs out there that you can add that are easy to remove and not even be a permanent solution. So it's great that there are options like that available, but that is definitely one of my cons, is that it's not tabbed. As for the pros, I already talked about the layout. I also love the goal setting pages. I love any planner that is going to set you up for success. Oftentimes we don't even know how to use the pages, so for brands that are creating planners and giving you explanations on how to use it, giving you motivation to keep you going, I love that. I also love the price of $30 and the fact that this is undated, because those two factors go hand in hand. Yes, this is $29, but it's undated, so if you don't use it when you first get it, that's fine. If you don't use it every day, it's fine. You're not wasting paper, you're not wasting the planner. Also with the price, you may be thinking, yeah, it's $29, but what if I wanted to use it for the whole year? That would be $60 for a planner. You're absolutely right. But having that price point of $30 for a planner for half the year, if you choose not to use it, fine. If you choose to use it for a portion and then maybe go back to it, you could actually end up using this for the whole year. Who knows? It all depends on what you have going on in your life that is resulting in you picking up a paper planner. You may just want to do things digitally. You may be able to double the pages and turn it into one day on 2 pages. It all depends on what you have going on. Another con that I would say though is that even though this is daily, I can see how for some people, when you have those empty pages in between the months and you can't move them around, how that could be a problem as well. But overall, I do like the planner. I personally don't know how this would work in my planner system, or if it would work for me at all, especially because the pages don't lay flat. I would definitely stretch this around and make it a little more pliable in a sense, just so that I could write on the pages. But I love the aesthetic of it, and out of all the colorways that they have, this one and Periwinkle are my favorite. They do have other products available from the Undated planners. There is their 2020 dated planner. Their dated planner is a little bit larger and it has a coil bound. They also have their mid-year planners. Then when we get to accessories, I already shared with you guys the Infinity pen and the sticker sheet 2-pack. They also have a pen and highlighter duo, which is $8, and then they have digital downloads where you can download the planner, and that may be a more suitable option for you. I know the digital download is 20 bucks, and you can use that over and over if you want to print it out and make it whatever size that you want. That'll work best for you. But that is my take on the My Infinite Agenda Undated Planner. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And again, special thanks to My Infinite Agenda for sending me this planner for review. Be sure to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you there. Also, be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have all information on My Infinite Agenda, my corresponding blog posts, as well as other related videos, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you guys are not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Would love to have you join us. And for each and every one of you that are, I thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.